Good morning. Welcome, everyone. My name is Stephanie Wojcicki. I am the president of Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield. Thank you so much for joining us for this special announcement. Before I get into the announcement, I would like to take a moment to talk about Anthem's commitment here in Missouri, for those of you that may not be familiar. For nearly 85 years, Anthem has been a trusted health partner for our members here in the state of Missouri by providing affordable access to health care. And we've grown to be the largest insurer in the state of Missouri, having the privilege of serving over 1.7 million members through employer-sponsored plans, Medicare, and Medicaid. And we're also proud of the fact that we serve nearly 40% of city residents. Since the 1970s, we have based our state headquarters in downtown St. Louis, and we've called this particular building home for the last 30 years. It is in the spirit of that commitment to our community that we have invited you to join us here today. We are so excited to announce that we will be adding 250 new jobs to our St. Louis office. These 250 new associates will be part of our specialty pharmacy division. And in just a few minutes, you'll hear from my colleague who will describe more about these positions. But first, it is my honor to ask Mayor Tashara Jones to say a few words. Mayor Jones has been a long-time committed advocate for our community, and it is such an honor to have her here with us today. Mayor Jones.
Thank you, Stephanie. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's a great day here in the city of St. Louis, especially for downtown. Anthem has been a longtime partner in the landscape of downtown St. Louis, and with the addition of 250 new pharmacists, we are welcoming people who will patronize our downtown restaurants, walk from their office to the next City SC game or Blues game or whatever they choose, or even purchase a home nearby. This is the latest addition to ongoing commitments to downtown St. Louis. The law firm Brown & James recommitted another 10 years to their office on Market Street, and Oculus recently renewed their lease for another 5 years in the Gateway Tower. City SC also finished relocating their offices here. And just before the end of the year, Sugar Fire and High Point will be opening new restaurants on Washington Avenue in the Mercantile Exchange Building. They see and believe the potential of our downtown. Anthem sees that potential, and I do too. There's no doubt that the full revitalization of downtown St. Louis requires innovation and identifying new opportunities in a post-COVID era. But with partners like Anthem, Greater St. Louis, and the Regional Business Council, as well as the dozens of businesses and companies that call downtown home, I am hopeful that we will see more companies follow their lead. I see a bright future, not just here, but in all of our 79 neighborhoods. Again, my deepest and sincerest appreciation to Stephanie and Anthem for being a trailblazer and bringing more jobs to our city. Thank you all, and God bless.
Thank you so much for your words of support, Mayor Jones. And at this point, I would like to invite Dan Mendoli, our president of Carillon Pharmacy, to join us to give more specifics about the jobs and growth here in this building. Dan?
Thank you, Stephanie. Our specialty pharmacy team is staffing up to serve patients all across the country. I've been as an active member of the St. Louis community, I've been here 22 years. Raised my family here, and so when the opportunity came to build out our specialty pharmacy, I selected St. Louis as the starting point to build this out. I know the care and the passion and the talent that exists within this organization and within this community, and happy to be a part of them. As Stephanie mentioned, we're in the process of hiring at least 250 employees who will be based in this building, and we will grow that as our business grows in Missouri and as our business grows across the country. These are long-term, full-time positions that include pharmacists, nurses, pharmacy technicians, billing specialists, financial assistance specialists, and call center customer agents. The specialty pharmacy team serves our most vulnerable patients across the country, those suffering from horrible chronic diseases as cancer, MS, PAH, and hemophilia. That's why it's so important to have a passionate work staff that cares and helps these patients along their health journeys. And we know that we will find that here in St. Louis. We have already started the hiring process, and we plan to be fully staffed by the midsummer 2024. We've got 70 people already that have begun training that are upstairs on the 4th floor now. And anyone can find these jobs on our corporate Elevance website or on any of the local or standard websites for job postings. Thank you.
Thank you, Dan. And at this moment, I would like to invite the President and CEO of the Regional Business Council, Kathy Osborne, to say a few words.
What a wonderful day for the city of St. Louis. Congratulations to the mayor and my colleague Jason Hall, President and CEO of the Greater STL. A warm, joyful thank you to Anthem and the decision to move 250 jobs, new jobs, to St. Louis, to this headquarters building located in a very important and vibrant part of downtown St. Louis. So thank you very much. I want to thank Dan Mandola, president of Caroline RX. I happen to have used Caroline RX, and I can speak from personal experience, the quality of the people and the access to the pharmacy. So I want to thank him. It's the first time I met him today. And he's got a great team. Specialty pharmacies are going to be the wave of the future. As more and more complex drugs come on the market, they often come through specialty pharmacies. So this relationship with Anthem is significant for them, but significant for us and the residents of the city and county and region. I want to commend Stephanie Wojcik. She's a member of RBC. She has outstanding leadership in the community. In fact, I walked in here today and somebody greeted me and said, "Oh yeah, we were up at Peace Park 2 weeks ago." So what she has done with her colleagues is bring them up to North City and work with the RBC on some work we do in terms of cleaning up and building up downtown neighborhoods. And it's a park that's very near and dear to our mayor, but also to those residents. That park is soon to be historic, so you're going to be part of a really important giving back to the neighborhood, something that was very important to him. So whether it's mentoring college students, visiting our schools about healthcare careers, or coaching minority businesses, Stephanie, has been there for St. Louis. Thank you so much for your leadership, your commitment, and your compassion. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Kathy. And I want to thank all of you for being here with us today. Special thanks to our elected officials who joined us here. I want to say thank you to our business partners and community stakeholders for supporting us.